bitches. Laugh so hard about to bust them stitches. Dripping rags smell reek like riches. On a hard that's get on bitches. Nothing saying this Belgian piston. Caustic, toxic, acid fission. Are we gonna get on this train? No, why are we saying that it goes too slow? Tentatively, I agree, tentacles evil. People better paddle and row. That butter will roll, that boat rubber fucking make smoke, mother dugger. Make smoke and rubber and butter. This shit, this goddamn boat ain't got no rudder. Take it back now, take it forward. Liquid water has little friction. Cannon fodder for the furlong vixen. When her business gets to mixing. Pleasure with pleasure, let's call it leisure. Release the sneeze and relieve the seizure. Come hither, heather with the feathers and leather. It's better, believe, not believe better. It's weather and not no weather. You're gonna need a tourniquet when she is finally through with you. You're gonna have some cuts and bruises too. You're gonna need some bandages on most of your appendages. Bleeding from your knees in that place where you lost a tooth or two. Did you lose it now? Where you get it back? Go find it. Get it left down the track. Take it off hand. No second blade. Take it back one time. Passive, aggressive, dismissive, collective. Disconnected and effective. Possessive, perspective, invective, directive. Husted, dull, and unreflective. That's a mystic mysticism. Ignorant individualism. Indigent wisdom. Residual schism. Fervent derision and a murder decision. Whole life. Turn on the light. I think there's a motherfucker hold that knife. Gotta save it. Gotta bring it in. Here we go, horn. Take it, 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 take Too slow, tentatively I agree, tentacles evil. Beaver ground a battle from rope. That's no, motherfucker, bento, motherfucker. Make smoke and butter. There it is now. What a hit now. Yeah, taking it back, stack. What happened? Your piss will probably burn a bit. The piss now you're learning it's left you with some bumps and other blues. You're gonna need a sling and crutch and two for you to eat your lunch when she's finished what she's got to brew. And that was it. All right. And we're gonna bring it down for a second.